how to use Enchantium in Archero 2. So Enchantium is going to be used to pretty much enchant your runes over here, so you can upgrade them and improve the equipment stats. So you're gonna have to go inside your equipment over here, go ahead into your runes, and if your rune is high level enough, you will be able to get the enchantment status. So you can forge a specific rune like this one. As you can see, there are enhancement stats, so it unlocks the rune enhancement. So it needs to be at a +2. So you go ahead into your rune workshop in order to be able to do this. But that's basically where you use these enhancement materials in Archero 2. Just go ahead and level up your rune itself so that you can enhance it. You'll get the option over here directly. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.